How are you?
Good,
We
yeah.
made it.
Yes.
How are you? Good. I'm so happy, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and just to be a part of it is just amazing. Just seeing her, it was just like I met her all over again. She was absolutely stunning. It feels surreal. Like every time I walk and every step I take, it doesn't even feel real. I feel like I'm in a dream. Disney Dreamers Academy can kickstart your dreams in so many ways. It's not even just this. They have so many different career paths and so many different passions that everyone has, and they just focus in on everyone. It's not just one passion, and it can help you in so many ways. It's business aspect, personal aspect, and it's just amazing.
I am feeling pumped up and just excited to be here, and it's been pretty crazy so far, seeing everybody, seeing all the celebrities, seeing everybody's amazing looks, and just being here on the red carpet when I never thought that was possible, never thought that could happen. As I see around the corner, it's just, oh my God, she looks amazing. Her beautiful dress, her hair, she's just gorgeous. And getting to see her again and getting to hug her again, it just meant the world to me. The one thing I would say to other teens thinking of applying to Disney Dreamers Academy is to just go for it, because you never know what can come of it. I never thought that I would be here on the red carpet when I was hitting that application button, but here I am.